Welcome to the first day of Ancient Medieval History for Period 4. Here you sit at your desks in my classroom, room M9, southernmost of the northernmost modular classrooms, part of two modulars, north and east of the high school building, northern half of the campus of Coeur d'Alene Charter Academy on North Duncan Drive near the junction of Kathleen Avenue and 95, part of the city of Coeur d'Alene, which means the heart of an adze. An adze is a tool used to carve wood and stone. It's kind of difficult, kind of hard. Coeur d'Alene is located in Kootenai County, one of the counties of the northern region of Idaho, part of the northwestern quadrant of the contiguous 48 states, continental United States, which comprises the central third of the North American continent, which is part of the northern and western hemispheres of planet Tellus, Terra, or the Earth. Sol 3, as it's otherwise known. Center of the Earth Luna system. Luna is our moon. Third of four inner or rocky planets around the star Sol. Part of a 9-planet solar system, because Neil deGrasse Tyson is wrong. Pluto is a planet. Our system is divided into 4 inner rocky planets, surrounded by an asteroid belt, followed by 4 outer gas giants, and that's surrounded by the Kuiper belt, wherein resides Pluto, and around that is the Oort cometary cloud. Our Sol star system is part of the local star cluster, which is part of the local star supercluster. One of many superclusters forming the Orion spike of the Sagittarius galactic arm of the Milky Way galaxy. Center of our galactic system, orbited by the Greater and Lesser Magellanic Clouds. Part of our local galactic cluster, including Andromeda. Part of our... Just don't play the game. Part of the local galactic supercluster. One of, who knows, seemingly infinite, almost infinite numbers of galactic superclusters spread out across our continuum of space-time, with dimensions like length, width, height, time. One dimension of possibly infinite dimensions and planes of existence that make up the mind of God, the macrocosmic all. And in all of that space, thank God, close the shades and shut the lights. There's only one. Okay,
go do it.
Is that working? Okay. Thank you for the narration, sir. I now feel minuscule beyond all words.
I wonder why I'm hearing voices when I'm not saying. If you need help, just ask.
Just keep pulling it.
To the left.
There you go. Keep doing it.
Left. To the left. Wow.
There we go.
You know, if he's irritating you, just look him in the eye and say, I know how to do it, buddy. Pal.
Ow.
Oh, I better pause this. God forbid I want to get a copyright strike from the tech lords at YouTube.
Uh-oh.